Hey guys, this is Abe for iOS Hacker. In today's video, we are going to take a look at Ugreen Nexode Pro 160 watt charger and the Ugreen Nexode Pro 100 watt charger. Both of these powerful chargers are designed to cater different needs for the users. In this video, we will take a look at the features of both of these chargers and help you decide which one of the two is most suitable for your needs. The Nexode Pro 100 watt is a more compact sized travel-friendly charger designed to quickly charge MacBook Air, iPhone and iPad quickly. The Nexode Pro 160 watt on the other hand is a larger, more powerful charger that is designed to be a desktop charger for your MacBook Pro, iPhone and other devices. Let's start the unboxing of the Nexode Pro 4-port GaN Fast Charger with 160 watt charging capacity. This charger is a 4-port charger. This Nexode Pro series charger is not your average charging hub. It is a 4-in-1 charging powerhouse equipped with cutting-edge technology to make your charging experience faster, smarter and more efficient than ever before. It is equipped with the GaN Infinity technology that offers high efficiency and less heat while maintaining safe charging thanks to the thermal guard technology. It also offers intelligent current distribution that ensures that each device gets optimal charging speed without compromising performance. Need lightning fast charging? The Nexode Pro 160 watt delivers a whopping 140 watt power delivery 3.1 through the USB-C 1 port. It comes with 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port that allows you to charge up to 4 devices at the same time. The design of this charger is also pretty good. I have become a big fan of Ugreen's new Nexode charger design language that offers a nice futuristic flat design along with a beautiful space gray finish. Inside the box you also get user instructions and a reading manual that tells you about its features. And that's it. As you can see, I have plugged in 4 different devices on this charger including a 16-inch MacBook Pro and it charges it without any problems. After charging my MacBook, iPhone, iPad and other devices with this charger simultaneously, I can say that it charges them quite fast without heating up. This charger was able to charge my MacBook Pro 16-inch up to 70% in just 60 minutes, which is remarkable. Now let's unbox and take a look at the Ugreen Nexode Pro 100 watt 3-port GaN Fast Charger. This compact size charger packs enough power to rapidly charge your 14-inch MacBook Pro in just 27 minutes thanks to its 100 watt fast charging speed. The charger is small in size thanks to the GaN Infinity chip that offers powerful and efficient charging while keeping the design lightweight. When it comes to design, the Ugreen Nexode Pro 3-port charger is the better looking of the two in my opinion. It has a smaller footprint that makes it easier to carry around in the backpack. And it also makes it travel friendly. It features 3 ports, 2 of which are USB-C and 1 is a USB-A, which means you can charge all of your devices with this charger without any issues. Here's the Ugreen Nexode Pro 100 watt 3-port GaN Fast Charger in action. As you can see, I have plugged in 3 devices on this charger at the same time and it charges them without any issues. For those of you who are confused between these two chargers, despite there being a huge 60 watt power difference, here's a side-by-side comparison between the Nexode Pro 100 watt and the Nexode Pro 160 watt chargers. As you can see, the 160 watt charger, which offers 1 additional USB-C port and 60 watt more charging capacity, is also noticeably larger in size. It is also heavier. Having said that, if you don't need the extra power and are looking for a charger that you can also carry around with you in your backpack, purse or during travels, then the Nexode Pro 100 watt is the clear choice. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the new Nexode Pro 160 watt with the Ugreen 140 watt charger from last year. In this comparison, you can see the design differences between the new and old generations. So guys, this was a look at the Nexode Pro series chargers, in which we featured the 160 watt charger and the 100 watt charger for you. If you liked this video, do hit the like and subscribe button to let us know that you did. The Nexode Pro 100 watt 3-port GaN Fast Charger is available at a price of $74.99 and there's also a 15% discount offer on Ugreen's site right now. Links to both of these products are shared in the description. You can buy the Ugreen Nexode Pro 160 watt 4-port GaN Fast Charger at a price of $119.99. There's also a discount offer on Ugreen's site right now that offers a 15% saving on the mentioned price. So guys, this was it for iOS Hacker and I will catch you in the next video.